Hey, it's AKAJK and welcome back to another tech video on the channel. Most of the other episodes of 2 Minute Tech are not going to be software episodes, but this one is something that I just learned and I feel pumped to share with you. So without further ado, I'm going to teach all of you how to export from Final Cut Pro 10, or really you can do this on Premiere Pro or Vegas or whatever editing software that you do use, Ultrawide 4K. So there's been videos on how to do ultrawide and there's been videos on how to do 4K, but loads of people want to do both of them together. And this also works if you have a 1080p camera but you want to upscale it to 4K. So without further ado, put 2 minutes on the clock and get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your editing software of choice, and either you're going to have to modify the settings of your project that you're using, or you're going to have to create a new project and then fill in the dimensions and stuff like that. So on Final Cut Pro, you just go and select custom dimensions. They're going to be like 4K and 5K and 1080 and 720, yada yada yada. You got to select the custom. And then in there, the dimensions that you're going to put are 3840 by 1606. After you've done those dimensions, that will ensure that you have 4K ultra-wide video that you can post. Then you just click enter, fill in whatever other settings that you want to sort out, such as frame rates, etc, etc. Then enter, and then you're going to have your project. Now, whatever videos that you put in are already going to be filmed in 16:9 aspect ratio, unless you're using some sort of IMAX camera, but likelihood is that you're not. Anyway, so 16:9 video is going to show with 2 black bars on the side in this ultra-wide format. So on Final Cut Pro, I'm not sure about the other softwares, but this, you got to select all the clips that you want to ultra-wide, then scroll down on your inspect bar to spatial conform and select fill. I want to show you're going to have a proper ultra-wide experience. Then when you export this video and post it, let's say onto YouTube, you can actually watch it on ultra-wide. And let's say you're watching on an ultra-wide monitor like I watch a lot of my content on, it's going to look much better. And if not, it's going to have those cinematic black bars. Usually if you have black bars that you just inserted overlays and then you watch it on an ultra-wide monitor, it's going to look real bad because it's going to have black bar. It's going to be like sort of a little island of video in the middle, black bars around it, black bars sort of all over. It's just going to look horrible. With this, you can ensure that it is optimized for every single sort of viewing experience. That ends the 2 Minute Tech episode. I hope I stayed under 2 minutes. If I didn't, you can let me know in the comment section down below. I hope I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. And yes, today was a double upload because I forgot to upload yesterday. Well, I didn't forget. It's just that it was my first time doing 4K video onto YouTube, and it took much longer than I expected. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I'll see you all in tomorrow's episode. Subscribe, like, and turn notifications, because here at AKAJK, the grind is